Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to create a test that will allow us to check the edit and update functionality of the context manager application that we created in Laravel, Inertia, Vue.js and Tailwind CSS. So in the previous video we created a test for the delete method or function of this application, and so far we have created 15 tests and they are passing. We can see the asserts right here. I executed php artisan Dusk command here, and here I'm running php artisan serve, and here is the node application running. The npm run dev command is executed. So now we are going to create a test that will allow us to click on this edit button of a specific contact that we will provide or we will create and then provide it, and after that we are going to update it and then save it, and then we will assert that we are able to successfully update that specific contact. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna go to that contact test page, and I'm going to duplicate this one because the functionality I guess will be pretty much the same. So let's duplicate this. User can view underscore update contact page. Let's say this is the name, and first we are creating a user account category and a contact and passing it here. And instead of, like, first we are going to log in with that provided user that we just created. Once you log in with that user, then go to the dashboard. Then we already have created a contact, right? So here we were deleting it, so now we are going to edit it, but we have to add this specific id to the edit as well. So if I go to, I think that is dashboard.view file, and here you can see we have id deleted underscore and then the contact id. So I'm going to pass the same to this one and change the prefix to edit underscore. Come back right here. That is now the same. I can confirm that from here. You can see edit underscore and then the contact uuid. So it's going to click on that, and after that we are going to assert that we are able to see a specific string right here. Let's say this one, wait for this text to appear, and then assert that the path is let's copy this. Assert path is uuid of the contact. This is going to be concatenation operator, not slash, and one slash here. No need for this one. Add a semicolon here. So let's try that out and let's see if we have any issue with this. So I'm gonna go to this and clear the screen. Run the test via disk, but exclude the ones that we already have tested many times. Okay, so you can see the user view update contact page that is found successfully. You can see here. I think the name should be like user can view update contact page. Yes. So now the time is to create a test that will update actually the contact itself. So for that I'm going to copy that one, and user can update can underscore update underscore contact, and for that we don't need to create a user, we don't need to create a category, we don't need to create, maybe this is not the best approach, but I'm following it. If you disagree, um, write that to me in the comments, maybe I'm wrong. So passing the user and the contact, login is that, go to the edit, wait for the text to appear. Yes, instead of asserting here, let's say I'm going to update something. Let's go here. Let's say you want to update the name, only the name. So I will identify this element via id. Let's put that down. So I'm going to use the type. Let's say id is hash name. Id is name, right? And the name, let's say I'm going to change this to updated contact. How about this? So once you change the name to from whatever it is created via factory, right? Is it created via factory? This is the contact, right? Content name test created. Okay, so this is going to be updated to this one, updated contact. No, this is not category actually. This is wrong. This is test created contact. Okay, sorry. Though it is like a string message, it doesn't make no difference at all. So once you type that, then go ahead and click on the update button or press the update button. If I come here, let's see, this is uniquely identified, not. So I'm gonna go to update. Oh, where is that? Let's go to dashboard. Here we have edit fetch, and here if I search for submit, so here I'm going to add id, let's say update, and close it. Now let's come back to the test, and here after that, then press the hash update button, and after that wait for text. And the text, obviously, if I go to context management controller, we have a text updated successfully. So contact updated successfully. So wait for this text to appear, and obviously after, I think the default time it's gonna wait for this text to appear is 5 seconds, and if it does not appears till 5 seconds, it's gonna throw error. And obviously the other fields are fillable, filled by default, right? Because you are on the edit page. So once you do that, then as like wait for that text to appear. Once that text appears, you can assert that the path is /dashboard. So I'm going to save this. Let's try running the script, and not the script but the test, excluding the escape group. Okay, so you can see here the user can update contact test has been passed successfully, and which means like the basic CRUD operations are now done for testing. So we have created tests for the major functionality or the major CRUDs of this application. So yeah, this was all about the context manager that we created via Laravel, Inertia, Vue.js, and Tailwind CSS. Now we can add a Dusk as well because we created tests for this. We are Dusk. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do that. It helps a lot. It motivates for upcoming videos. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you soon.